How to convert Bitcoin, BTC, to Ethereum, ETH. Hi, welcome to our video. Here we will be converting Bitcoin to Ethereum using Changelly. To get started, simply enter the amount of Bitcoin you are looking to convert. The exchange rate for Ethereum will automatically adjust itself. Click on the Exchange Now button. Where it says Wallet Address, we will enter our Ethereum address from MetaMask wallet. This is where the converted funds will go. Click Next Step. On the checkout page, you will have to log in to proceed with the exchange. If you don't have an account, take a minute to enter your email address to sign up. After logging in, simply click on the Confirm and Make Payment button. On the next screen, simply send Bitcoin to the address or QR code on the screen. Once your Bitcoin hits the blockchain, the next screen will show the exchange steps to Ethereum. You will have to wait anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours for completion. After enough confirmations are received, BTC will be exchanged to ETH, then be sent to your wallet. The funds have successfully reached our wallet. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.